Hello and welcome back to Viralstyle Academy. Again, my name is Luke Stassi and I'm here to walk you through how to get started selling t-shirts online through Viralstyle. So in this video, I am going to give you one more example. This is part 3 in creating Facebook ads. I'm going to give you one more example of how you can create a page post on your page and then pull that into Power Editor for an ad. So we're here on the Facebook page that we had created before from the demo. Click here on photo or video and then upload photo or video. And then what you do is you actually choose your shirt right here, okay? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in the ad copy that I taught you guys how to use, okay? So we're looking at, again, line 1. Going back, we're getting line 2. And for the last, line 3. Okay, so again, you can change these in and out as I showed you in the other videos. We got to get our URL here and we plug it in. All right. And so we then will hit publish. So what this has just done is we've now created a page post on our page with our ad for, our offer for sale here. So the other way that I showed you in regards to just launching it straight out of Power Editor in video 1, it's actually going to run an ad, but that post is not going to show up on your wall here in your Facebook page. So if you want it to show up on your wall here, which sometimes honestly you do because you want people to be able to come back and have that social interaction, then the different approach here would be, we do what I just showed you, is you just post it as a post to the page, just like this, and then it's gonna, your link is gonna be in there. It's gonna be driving to Viralstyle, to our campaign that we have for sale here, and then it's just going to show up here as a photo, so it'll actually be under your photos for the page, so people can come back here and come across your post. So then in order to run this as an ad, you would come in here to Power Editor, click Create Campaign, and then we're just going to use page post samples. I'm just going to call this, but you can call it whatever you want. Click page post engagement and then check this, and we'll just put in here 01, check this for 01 again. You can name these in whatever sort of system you decide to use for naming, but generally you're going to name according to your targeting. Hit create. All right, so we get in here. Again, for the sake of brevity, I am just going to plug in one simple targeting thing in here. You can learn more about detailed targeting in other videos and other places. We're going to turn off Instagram in the right side column, just like we were doing in the other videos. And then we're going to click in here to the ad level. Okay, now we're going to go and choose our page. And then instead of doing create ad like I showed you last time, again, if you do that create ad like I showed you in video 1, it's not going to show up on your page on the wall like this. But if instead you go to use existing post, and then you click this little select a post drop down, look at this one we created is right here. And you click on it and it shows and it loads right up. So that is another way that you can create a page post ad that is visible to the public on your wall. When you create one the other way where it's not visible to the public on your wall, we call it a dark post, as in it's just a post that doesn't show up on your wall and in your photos on your fan page. So you can choose which of those you want to do, and then you would just be good to go. So as soon as you've just done those few simple things, you just then review your changes, hit continue, it's going to upload, and as simple as that, now you've got your ad running on your fan page. It's visible here on your fan page, and now it's also going to run to that ad targeting that we created here in Power Editor. So hope that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.